Hi guys, part 1 of the first day of school. Oh my god. Good thing it's Sunday and I don't have to worry about school or anything. It's summer break. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Little does she know. Honey, are you ready for your first day of school tomorrow? Wait. What do you mean first day of school? Oh, you haven't heard? Did I not tell you yet? Oh my god, I'm so sorry, honey. No, I don't want to go. Oh my god, I hate school so much. No, Mom, do not make me. No, honey, you have to go to school. It's the law. What do you mean it's the law? Honey, did you not know yet? If I don't take my child to school or homeschool, I will be arrested. That's gotta be fake that you got from Facebook or something. You're always on Facebook, so yeah, probably. No, honey, it's real. Check the newspapers. Mom, we don't even check the newspapers, and there's not even newspapers. What are you talking about? You probably just heard it like on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok. Like, it's not even real. Let me see what you're having anyway. What are you watching? I'm watching stuff about space, okay? Like, it's not really that bad. What she's actually listening to. It's just a cigarette, and it cannot be that bad. Honey, don't you love me, and you know it makes me sad. What are you listening to? What the heck is this stuff? What is this stuff? It's just a cigarette? What? No, this is so inappropriate. This is so inappropriate. Mom, what do you mean? It's just a song. Can I not listen to any songs now? Not these ones. It has a bad word in it. Cigarette is not a bad word. Oh my god. Did you just say you're grounded? What do you mean? You're grounded. And you cannot leave this house. Yay. So I can't go to school. What an amazing day. No, you still have to go to school. You said I can't leave. You said I can't leave the house. That does not mean you don't have to go to school. Take that. Mom, you're acting like a teenager. Stop acting like a teenager. You're adults. You're 30 years old, so act like one. I'm not your mother. I'm your mother, and you're not my mother, so you can't tell me what to do. Well, you're acting immature. Oh my god. Nope, I can't deal with this anymore. Honey, do you want to eat some dinner? I have some dinner ready for you. Do you want to eat some dinner, honey? Yeah, I want to eat some dinner. Forgot to give her phone back. Sorry about that. Here's your phone. Thanks, Mom. Yeah, of course. And turned off. Yeah, of course. It gets late and it's time to go to bed now. It's getting super late. It's like 9 p.m. And she has school tomorrow, so yeah. She has to get up. She has to go to bed right this instant. Right now. Mommy, why are you being so crazy? I'm not crazy, honey. Okay, now you have to get inside your bedroom. Mommy, that's not even where I sleep. I sleep over here. Oh, hi, Sissy. This is where I sleep. Oh, hi. Hi. Mama said we have to go to bed now. Okay. I guess I have to go to sleep now. I was playing so much games, I had to disconnect on all the tabs. Anyways. have to turn the news off, and I have to take this phone away and put it in my safe spot. Let me just turn this TV off. Honey, you have to go to bed. Turn off that music. It's off. Now, give me your phone. Why? Why do I need to give you my phone every single night? It's not even fair. Honey, you know the rules. So, I need your phone because I know you're going to be on it all night. I'm not. I'm way more mature than that. Put that coffee down. You're going to bed. You don't need energy. God, can't do anything. What was that? Nothing. Can you get out? I'm going to change. I'm your mother. I can see anything I want. Ooh. Yeah, whatever. What outfit should I wear, actually? Because I don't really know what to wear. Well, I guess, yeah, I'm just going to wear pajamas. I have to put my uniform right there. I really don't want to go to school. I'm so disappointed I have school in the morning. Like, I don't get why school's a thing. Like, whoever invented school should be in jail right now. Anyways, I guess I have to go to bed. How'd you like it so far, you guys? It's kind of hard to make these videos. Bro, can I am on 4.2. I tried to go on 4.2 and I realized that I am on 4.2. Sorry guys, this actually takes a while to load. Okay, perfect. Wait, where is she? She's probably at a party. I probably did another role play and probably didn't have her. I don't even know where she is. And I don't even know, like, who she is because I haven't played Toca in forever. I think it's her. I'm not sure. I'm just going to do it anyway for the role play. Since I'm a teenager, I can do whatever I want. No, I'm just kidding. My sister's a teenager too, and she doesn't get to do whatever she wants. But I'm mom's princess. And she always forgets to say goodnight to me because she doesn't even care if I stay up till like 10 p.m. or something, or like 1 in the morning. And I have school tomorrow. She reminded me because she's such a good mother. Ring, 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 ring. Ring, 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 ring. Where is that coming from? I don't even have my phone. Ring, 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 ring. Ring, 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 ring. Speaking of my phone, where is my phone? Ring, 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 ring. Ring, 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 ring. What the heck is that? Guys, I actually don't have a phone for her. I'm so sorry. I need to get the phone right now because I don't actually have a phone for her. I'm just gonna... Wait, no, I want it to be blue. Okay. Ring, 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 ring. Oh, didn't realize it's right behind me. Hello, who is it? Hi, it's Gloria. Do you want to come over right now? Oh, what is it for? Oh, I mean, it's just kind of for a party. A party? What do you mean? I'm just kidding. It's just a play date. Do you want to come over? Sure. Let's go. Yeah. Okay, she goes to the play date. And she gets home really, really early in the morning. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Oh my god, I seriously could sleep so much right now. I guess we'll just... Oh, it's 6 a.m.? Oh my god, it's so early in the morning. I should be freaking sleeping right now. I mean, I guess I can go to sleep. Let me just get my pajamas on and go in bed because I'm so freaking tired. She falls asleep for about 2 hours. Let's upstairs because we need to wake up the other girl because she's going to school. But yeah, she hit school anyways. Me too. My legs are really sore because I'm sitting right now. Bro, my legs are going to be so sore. Anyways, oh my god, it's time for school. No, I'm gonna cry. I'm actually gonna cry. Oh, I have to keep my uniform on. Wait. I've been awake for so long. Let me go wake up my daughter and see if she's awake. Can I move? Honey, are you awake? Can you see me standing right here? Or are you blind? Don't talk to me like that. I'm your mother. You're grounded for speaking to me like that. Oh my god. Mom, you're so rude. You're the worst mother. I don't even care about you. What did you just say to me? I said I don't even care about you. So just if you don't want to do anything, just get out of my house. What? Wait, honey. I'm sorry. I have to learn to control my anger. My God, it's lashing out on her. Fine, if you want me to go that badly, let's just go then. Where's my suitcase? Guys, I don't even have a suitcase for her. Like I said, I haven't played Toca in years. Anyways, let's get her bag. Perfect. Got it right here. I have to pack all my stuff. I'm just gonna get all of my clothes and then some of my books. I said some of my books, not all of them. Okay, what else should I get? I think that's all. I don't really care anyway. It's time to leave this house, but I can't do it anymore. Okay. She goes on the streets because she does not know where she's gonna go. So let's guys. So she goes over by the street because she doesn't know where she's gonna go because she's homeless now because she just ran away. Oh my god! Oh my god! So I'm gonna throw up. Oh my god! These glasses are so cute on me. Never mind. That looks so freaking ugly. Oh, this place is so weird. What is this? What in the actual heck is this? Anyways. Ew, is that someone? Oh my god. Ew, is that someone's blood? Ew. Bro, that's disgusting. Anyways. That is even more disgusting. Ugh, that looks like poop. What's even in here? Oh my. I think I'm gonna pass on that. What about one here? Is there any hideout? Perfect. Let me go inside. Oh my god, there's a trail. What's even inside there? Ew. No, I cannot stay in there. Wait, why is this place kind of perfect? Let's unpack my stuff. I can't even go back there. Ugh. I guess I'm just gonna have to make a place over here. No swamps. Hello, let me inside. Guys, want part 2? Comment down below if you want part 2. Thank you, bye.